welcome back muli sa ating second quarter or second half rather. Official score of 45-14 in favor pa rin sa ating Lasal Green Hills. Let's go! Ano? Wala. Rebound na Claret. That's a foul. That's a foul. Number 45. Last touch. Number 9, 4-3. No. Rebound. By Sam. Here comes number 9. Pass number 85. No. Rebound number 9. Losing the glass basket. Number 7. Coronel coming in for Sam. And you know. No good. Basket is good. Official score 17-40. 45. Number 6. Offensive rebound. Solchi. Pass to Obligar. Obligar kick out. Number 7. Oh, that's a travel. Oh, correction, that's a 3. 3 seconds violation. It's a foul.
Penalty na tayo, no foul. Nadulas lang eh. Penalty na tayo, no foul. Hands up lang.
shot. Uy, basket. Number 7 from elbow 3. No good. Rebound by Coronel. Steal ng Claret. Bounce pass. Out of bounds.
Stop.
Time remaining 5 minutes and 56 seconds. Oh, steal. Esomchi. Obligar. Basket.
Kanina yan! Sige, Diego, sa'yo muna!
Offensive foul. Obligar. That's a blocking foul. Correction. Penalty. Oh, good. Second shot by jersey number 24. Basket.
Break. Corner ka na, George.
Coronel. It's Obligar, but there's a foul number 24. That's Wong.
Box. Box kay Somchi.
Coronel spin move and gets the basket. 49-20. Oh, what a sweep there. Pero naka-recover. What a give and go take para sa Claret. Outlet pass. Bad pass.
Sige, bawi depensa, bawi. Uy! Left!
Uy! Sayang.
Bola namin! Rep! Talo talaga kami dito sa tawag.
Up and under. Nakalusot. Number 9. Bote fake. Pass to Vivar. Top of the key. No good. Rebound. Galanatan coming in. And Paras. Sob. Block by Paras. Gets a foul.
Hey, press break. Stop.
Kick out. Galanatan. Binigay. Bote itong Galano. Tan. Spin. Bounce pass. Paras. And gets a foul. Sayang. The shot for Sam Paras. Yun. 2 shots for Paras. Wala.
Shooting!
Let's go, Sam. Wala. Rebound ng Claret. Spin. Number 9. Short.
Good! Guard! Guard!
Galanotan. Naupo pa sa Eres. Si Galanotan. Time out dito. Ang Claret School.
Kaya ba natin ito? Defense ng ano? Damis! Nabis tayo. Nag-rebound. At parang nung nagre-relax tayo. Gusto nyo yung defense na ibang bilang sa miss yan ay sa play yan. Miss or play yan. Then, wala na, 4 na. Kaya sa down eh. Oo, magiging ginawa kay Galaman sa face up. Kaso nila na yun. Pero, nating video. Ay! Hindi pa pakainin. Huwag ka pakainin kasi wala na mga doon.
Back to the ball game.
Adik!
Okay, let's go. Back to the ball game. Claret School basketball. Steal by Galanotan. Last touch.
Jordan!
Cruz coming in. And Fajardo.
George, that's what George. No foul, penalty. Gap.
Oh, steal. Here comes Paras. Uy. Sayang, dadakdak na. Number 25. Uy, foul. Yeah bro, pumana bro. Number 9 for 3. At naka 3 na doon. 3 points si number 9. Cruz, pass to Galanotan. Galano. Backdoor pass. Cacho for 3. No. Rebound ng Claret. Number 24, side step. No good. Rebound by Paras. Pass to Galanotan. Nagmamadali. Wara extra pass. Cruz and 1. Basket count. May kasama pang foul para kay Cruz. Lazaro coming in. Galanotan. One shot for a 3-point play. Time remaining. Last 54 seconds. No good. Rebound dito. Same ball. Claret School basketball. Last 52 seconds. Substitution, number 23 coming in.
May backdoor ha.
To number 20. Good. Number 4. Up and under. Blocked by Paras. 24. Pass number 22. Good defense para sa Lasal. 24 seconds shot clock violation. Last 26 seconds.
Come on!
17 seconds. Cacho steal. Number 6. Uy! What a nice smart move. Measures number 6. 7, 6, 5, 3, 2. Paras again for 3. Ooh! And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score of 55-29 in favor pa rin sa Lasal Green Hills. Alright, tayo daw na sa ating fourth and last quarter. Sino kaya ang papasok sa finals at harapin na ang Sabre School San Juan? Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang po sa ating pagbabalik sa fourth quarter. Shoutout kay Vero Ramas and kay Coach Matt Auriel. And dito rin si Sir Benedicto Kyoto and Chuck Cruz and Ma'am Kay. Ma'am Abubulol-bulol pa kay Ma'am Chuck Cruz. And shoutout din kay Joseph Segado. And sa ating mga kabarangay sa Santa Lucia, shoutout sa ating mga kasanoneño. At muli tayo nang babalik sa ating basketball division ng Paya League 2025-2026 season. This is the semi-final game between Clarence School QC versus LaSalle Green Hills. Fourth quarter, let's go! Here comes LaSalle. Oh, sorry, that's Claret. Kick out, number 6. 4 seconds to shoot. 4. Oh, correction, number 7. 4-3. No. Rebound. Kick out, number 22. Using the board. Basket. It's good. 32-55. Ayan na. Uy. Coronel block from behind. Dalawang sumabay doon para sa Claret. Number 9 from elbow 3. No. Rebound by Cacho. Oh, sorry, that's Cruz. Pass to Cacho. Top of the key. Bang! 3-point para kay Cacho.
Hey, watch out sa backcourt!
58-32. That's a foul. Number 0, Cruz. Substitution, number 24 coming in. Wong. Sub, Eroles coming in. For Fajardo. Oh, steal! Munti ka na yan. Good defense for Eroles. Hindi nga lang nakuha. Last touch. Same ball.
No foul, no backdoor. Jacob, kumana. Jacob.
1-on-1. Number 6, Queen. What an extra pass. Number 23, using their height advantage. Basket yan for Claret. Oh. There's a foul. Shout out kay Bien Ariodique. Just watching. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat na nanonood nating live. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook and YouTube. At sa mga gusto pong mapanood ang inyong live at replay, mapapanood yan sa Facebook at replay naman sa YouTube channel ng aking account. 4-3, wala. Rebound. Makuha ng Claret. Number 6. Naka-recover ang Claret dito. Ayan na, number 6. Side step, drop pass to number 24 with the floater. Basket is good. 58-36. Ayan na, humahabol ang Claret. Oh, another steal for number 6. Ayan na, tumatakbo na naman sa number 6. Nabitawan nga lang. Substitution, Guerson coming in. For Cacho. Time remaining, last 7 minutes. Sub. Galario coming in for Cruz. Guerzon. Oopsie. Nabitawan ang bola ron. Using the glass, no. Rebound. Number 45, nagmamadali. Here comes Ibanez, nabitawan. Ayan na, number 24. Wala, number 6 with the putback, short. Rebound again. Number 4, may tangan ng bola. Pumatake. Gets a foul. Number 9, Guerzon. Guerzon, that is second personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots by jersey number 4 of Claret. Second shot is good. 58-38 ang ating talaan. Uy! Substitution. Somchi coming in.
Iyo, bawi lang. Okay lang yan.
Steal. Pass to Somchi. No good. Steal. 4 against 1. Somchi. Drop pass to Ibanez. Basket is good. Timeout. Claret School. Alright, timeout dito ang Claret. Official score is 60-38. Time remaining 5 minutes and 29 seconds. Back to the ball game. Foul by Samuel Somchi. Almeria. What a pass! Show! Pabasa 20 ang lamangan ng Lasal. Ebañez, pull up jumper, no good. By number 24. Ayan na, floater, basket. Pabasa 18. Ayan na. Balik sa 20 ang lamang ng Lasal. Green Hills. Substitution. Coronel coming in. And number 20. Cruz coming in. For Guarzon. No good. Somchi kick out. Short. Yan. Somchi. Basket. For Samuel. Somchi. Rebound. Substitution. Lazaro coming in. Timeout. Claret. Time remaining 3 minutes and 37 seconds. Alright, back to the ball game. Lasal Green Hills basketball. Deal by number 20. Outlet pass. Number 24. Fadeaway shot. Wala. Rebound ng number 4. Side step. Nice move. Out of bounds. Last touch.
Grabe tumama sa katawan. Grabe na
Number 9 for 3. Last touch. Lazaro, short. Rebound by Roles. Ooh. Grabe ang pick doon ni Roles. Substitution, Fajardo coming in. For Regala. Penalty tayo. Lasal Green Hills under penalty situation. Time remaining 2 minutes and 25 seconds. First shot, para juice number 22. Basket is good. Second shot, wala. Rebound. Wala pa rin. And out of bounds. Penalty ulit. Number 20, shooting on the line. Wala. Second shot is good. 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Ayan na. Ang Lasal. Fajardo. Steal by number 24. Number 22. Up and under. Reverse layup. No good. Rebound by Cruz. Here comes Cruz. Hand off. The guy sa corner. Cruz. 4-3. No. Claret. From elbow 3. Uy. Out of bounds. Lasal Green Hills basketball. Wala na tayong 2 minuto. Sara sa fourth. Steal by number 4. Uy, number 24, Darius Wong. Cruz. Pass to, steal by number 9. Steal by Cruz. Pass to Fajardo. Fajardo. Kitang-kita yun ng ating referee. That's a double dribble. One minute left para sa ating fourth and last quarter. Ayan natin kung makakahabol dito ang Claret. Number 9, 4-3. Yes sir. Oh. Ayan na, baba na lamang po sa 14. Number 7. Binigay. Coronel Black. Wala pa rin tawag ang ating referee doon. Rebound by number 9. Outlet pass. Wong from elbow 3. No good. Rebound by number 7. Oh, sorry. That's Cruz. Cruz and gets a foul. Number 7, nasa corner, big spin move. Cruz using the blast, wala. Ibang by Wong. Wong, number 20, steal by Coronel. Outlet pass, Cruz. Walang tawag ang ating referee doon. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. What a nice game para sa Claret School QC, and congratulations to our winning team, ang Lasal Green Hills. And congratulations, a nice game from both team. Pasok na po sa finals. Thank you, thank you. What a good game from both team. Manalo po ang Lasal Green Hills. Our final score 64-50. At papasok na po at harapin sa finals ng Lasal Green Hills ang ating Xavier School, ang ating home team. Alright, muli maraming pong salamat sa lahat ng inyong panonood at pag-share ng ating live. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook and YouTube as well sa mga replay. Ayan, abangan nyo po ang replay nito sa YouTube channel ko po. And please pa-subscribe po ha. Maraming pong salamat. Hanggang sa muli, magkita-kita po tayo for our next live.